Rodents are smart and agile, and are some of the most amazing animals on Earth. Nevertheless, they also provide a food staple for many predators. This episode features some of the most fascinating predators versus rodents moments in the wild. Stay tuned while these incredible moments are about to unfold. A red fox grabs a large nutria swamp rat and takes it out with a powerful bite of its sharp canine teeth. A jaguar catches and takes out the largest rodent in the world, weighing up to 66 kilograms, the capybara, with a powerful bone-crushing bite. Out in the Sonoran Desert, a rattlesnake tracks and captures a rat, a rodent which is one of its main food sources, and takes it out with a bite of its large venomous fangs. A black eagle grabs its primary food source, and one of the most abundant rodents in Africa, Hyrax, and carries it away with its large powerful talons. A heron silently stalks a gopher coming up for air. It then grabs it with its long sharp beak, and swallows it whole. A cheetah, the fastest land animal in the world, chases the fastest rodent in the world, rabbit, and manages to catch it in an epic high-speed chase. A great gray owl, one of the largest owls in the world, picks up the sound of a mouse-like rodent, vole, moving under a foot of snow. It then zeroes in on it, and grabs it with an incredible stealthy and silent attack. An Ethiopian wolf silently stalks a large rodent and its primary food source, giant mole rat, weighing over half a kilo, and captures it with incredible speed and hunting skill. A seagull snatches an unwary rabbit, and gulps it down whole. Deep in the jungles of India, a fishing cat spots a large nutria swamp rat. It then perfectly times its attack. It dives into the murky water, snatches the rat, and takes it out with a bite of its sharp canine teeth. A Canadian lynx stalks one of the fastest and most abundant rodents in North America, snowshoe hare, and captures it in a fascinating high-speed chase over deep snow. Deep in the swamps of Louisiana, an alligator tracks the largest marsupial in North America, a possum. It then bursts out of the water with incredible speed, grabs the opossum with its powerful jaws, and takes it out with a bone-crushing bite. A red-tailed hawk spots a large rat foraging for food in an open field. It then drops out of a tree, grabs the rodent with its razor-sharp talons, and takes it out with a bite of its powerful beak. A bobcat picks up the sound of a bull moving under snow from over 100 meters distance. It then perfectly times its attack by jumping 30 foot horizontally and landing right on the small elusive rodent.